guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I have a cleaning video. My house just needs a good tidy and pick up. We decorated for Halloween tonight, so there's bins and wrappers and stuff like that, and the dinner mess kind of just stayed there because we were in between doing all of the decorating. So the house just needs a good cleaning and needs a vacuum, and the trash is emptied and all that. So I figured I would take you along with me and show you a clean with me after dark. It is 8 o'clock at night. I'm gonna hopefully get this done in 1 hour. So clean with me after dark / power hour. Maybe, because I want to be in bed by 9 because I have 2 videos to edit tonight, 1 to get up tomorrow. So like I need to get it cranking. So I'm gonna start by doing the dishes. Let's see, I have a list here. I have to empty the dishwasher. I have the dishes to put into the dishwasher and to wash. Put in laundry. I want to vacuum. I want to clean up all the decorations and the bins. Clean up the dining room. Do a quick tidy of my bathroom. I bought a thing today. Let me show you. And it's one of these that you put like your bags in, like the old like recyclable plastic bags. We're gonna put our masks in here because they're always just everywhere, so that way, you know, if you pull out one that's not yours, like no big deal, you just put it back in and pull out one that's yours. So that way we can keep this in the garage, and when we're leaving, because we're always running back upstairs and there's always just a bin that I keep them in, and they're just kind of everywhere. So this, they can just, we can pull one out and go about our day, and if we forget it, it's no big deal. It's right in the garage on our way out. So that, and I have to empty the trashes. So not a ton to do, but I want to bang all of this out in an hour, like I said, so I can get my editing and all that done. So let's get started.
I wanna believe you, but you turn your back on me. I don't wanna need you, but I'm breaking at the seams. The joke's on you. I'm done falling for your lies. You fooled me once, it's hard to trust. You won't fool me twice. I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth, you talk a big game but you're reckless. Why can't I leave you? I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth is laced with little lies and I'm broken. Why can't I leave you? Why can't I leave you? You leave me guessing. You got 1 foot in and 1 foot out. You leave me a mess when it's 3 a.m. and I'm alone on the couch. You walk a fine line between your days and your nights. You broke me once, but I like to love what isn't right. So I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth, you talk a big game but you're reckless. Why can't I leave you? I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth is laced with little lies and you're broken. Why can't I leave you? Why can't I leave you? I should just leave it. You never mean what you say when you say that you'll stay. You never mean what you say when you say that you'll stay. You never mean what you say when you say that you'll stay. Never mean what you say when you say that you'll change. So I I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth, you talk a big game but you're reckless. Why can't I leave you? I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth is laced with little lies and I'm broken. I should just leave you. Why can't I leave you? I should just leave you. Why can't I leave you? I should just leave you. I should just leave you. Breathe in the shallow lungs. Look at just how far you've come. These ribs are holding up later than you thought they would. The air gets thinner as you climb. Take it as a sign that you're alright. I see your weary eyes. Oh, I know you're tired, but you're alright. You're hanging out a while. Take your tears and tuck them under your pillow. I come over, I just wanna make you better. My willow, weeping willow. Take your tears and tuck them under your pillow. I come over, I just wanna make you better. My willow, weeping willow. Take your tears and tuck them under. Take your tears and tuck them under. Deep breaths and shallow lungs. Cried so much my voice is gone. I don't show anyone. Push it down till I go numb. Take your tears and tuck them under your pillow. I come over, I just wanna make you better. My willow, weeping willow. Take your tears and tuck them under your pillow. I come over, I just wanna make you better. My willow, weeping willow. Tears and tuck them under. Tears and tuck them under. Over, 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 over. Tears and tuck them under. Tears and tuck them under. Over.
All right, so I figured I would talk to you while I put all of our masks in here. It is 8:38. I have cleaned up all the bins and the living room. I've done the dishes, done the dishwasher. I need to tidy my bathroom. Just wipe it down real quick. I need to do a quick vacuum. I need to empty the trash, but I am on pace with my list of stuff to do to be finishing on time. So that is exciting. Do you guys have 4,000 masks but feel like you never have a mask when you need a mask? I feel like we're always like, do you have a mask? I don't have a mask. Do you need a mask? I try to leave them in my car. I try to do this, but then I try to take them out to wash them instead of picking them up off my floor, crusty and dirty and gross. Because because I know we're all like looking on the floor, and then we're like, and I go in wearing one of these, one of my kids' masks, and I'm like, excuse me, and I can't, my face is smushed underneath, and first world problems, I guess. Too many masks, not the right masks. And then the kids can't wear these, like the gaiters. They can only wear regular masks like this, which makes them fall off all the time. And I know you can get the lanyard things, but like, my son doesn't want to wear that to school. He just wants to, I don't know. It's always a battle, but I am lucky because my kids are really good about wearing masks. They don't give me a hard time. They don't have any underlying issues that's like asthma or they can't breathe or anything like that. So we are very lucky that they can wear them without any issues. So that is that. Now they are in here and I can have my container back for my go-karts. It's a win-win for everybody.
You and I have a story, you know. Surely there are some turns on the road. Learn from all of the places we go. We know the only way is up. Through every storm somehow we find our way. What looks impossible, know that can change. Climb up the mountain until we're on top.
Alright guys, as you can tell by my hair, I'm done. I'm sweaty. I've got everything done. The only thing I have to do is put the load of laundry in the washing machine, but I'm just not even going to turn it on or start it because my husband's going to put his dirty laundry when he gets home from work in a few hours in there and then start it for me. So that is it for this Clean With Me After Dark / Power Hour. I still have 6 minutes. So I'm going to put this in, and then I need to refill the Lysol or Clorox wand refills, and then I just had to clean up my bathroom, which I just put a few things away, which I had already done earlier, but forgot. So that was a big check off my to-do list. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Together we're strong, together we're strong. We climb to the top, see what we've become. Together we're strong, together we're strong. Together we're strong, together we're strong. Together we're strong, together we're strong. We climb to the top.